Facts, bro.
You don't like normal. You don't like normal.
Ready. Go. Go. Ready. Go. Go.
Good.
Huh? Yeah.
Change it up, come on.
I need to stop jogging.
You're scared of the camera.
That's ugly.
Hey, let's get a picture.
What?
No, I can't go hard.
I used to give me at least one.
I need one touch. Jeffy. I thought I had HB. 44 seconds.
40 seconds.
Never gets old.
That is.
Hey, Faye.
My visor fogging up. Jermaine, Diaz, 2026. Yeah. It's like, it's this on this leg, and then, but it's like up here on this one. Yeah.
Spread it out a little bit and get the that linebacker to walk out with Jermaine. So Jermaine,
Extra spacing.
so if it's
Okay.
if we're running, you're gonna go to the side to get that linebacker out of there. If he'll
All right, I'll go on
walk with
numbers.
you keep going. Like get wide,
Yeah.
All right.
So, hey, and Balin too, right?
and then because we're running the other way, come to that side, get that 4-4 linebacker to walk out with you. Like the whole point is to get that box. We don't want 8 guys in the box.
What if he like scoots in a little bit?
You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
Come on, bro. Yeah, but we got a new defense, and Peyton goes in on that.
Nobody likes it. You got one something. I got a purple bucket.
I was like, man.
How many touchdowns do you think you gonna have?
Huh?
How many touchdowns do you think you gonna have? How many you gonna have?
How many times I touch the ball?
Like twice per game.
Huh?
Like twice per game.
I get it twice per game.
I know. It's the #1 QB in the nation.
Oh my God.
Ready, you go.
Come here. Everybody up. Listen, every game you're playing, not just for yourself, you're playing for your family, you're playing for the name across your chest, okay?
Yes, sir.
Give everything you have for each other. Play as hard as you can. If we focus, if we hustle and play with intensity, and what else do we control? Being a good teammate. If we do those 3 things, we had a great day. Okay?
Forget
Give
the wins.
everything you got. We ain't worried about wins and losses. We're worried about us doing our thing.
Yes,
playing
sir.
as hard as you can. Get better every week. Every week we should improve. Every week being the best you can be. Tonight, it's full speed, the best you can be. You make a mistake going full speed. We got it. Let's go Bainesville loud and proud right here. Baines on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Baines!
Now we're going.
Everybody else, throw good up.
Ben,
I think it's only 2. I know, Coach already said I was going.
No, last time it was 4.
Yeah, it's 4.
Last card. Have fun with the card.
All right, guys, let's keep it like that all game. Intense is fine, but let's keep it professional and sports-like, all right? There are 3 officials out here, so get us the football.
Come on, God. Oh yeah, pick it up. Yes, sir! Let's go! We do this! Oh my God. Listen. Bro, what?
Oh yeah.
Oh, bro. Damn. Good. Boy, I thought you was dead. Goddamn Reaper.
Guys, I get it. They're not the most physical downhill, but we will be next week, right? So what I'm saying is, let's start playing with some physical chips on our shoulders, all right? Okay, I saw Jermaine come down and hit the pile. I want to see that physicality today, all right? Hey, if they go start seeing that jam press coverage, corners, you got me? Let's start practicing that now.
Come on, Gavin. Come on, dude.
They haven't put solo though.
Big locks.
They're just running the same, going out.
Physical. Way to stay home.
Oh!
That's it. Hey,
You good, bro?
beautiful. Most blocks by one player.
That's my fault, bro. That was your 6. That's 6. Let's go! That's what I'm talking about.
I don't get a thing.
KK? Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
You seen that block? Oh my God. Come on, D. My fault, bro. Got it bounce. Fight it. What? I don't trust Palomalu. Then you won't let me blitz though.
Hey, he was hoping to like
I hate this, bro. Why take me out, bro? I could blitz, bro. I blitzed at practice and I almost, but I slipped. Almost like KK. Didn't know better. I don't even think he could kick it that far.
Bro, you That's it. That was beautiful. We're good, bro. Trust me. Go.
Hey. Hey, shout out to Baller Child, man. I came out here, tried to do my thing, man. Go on.